Hi, it's Paul here, Pilgrim Motorsports, Muscle Car UK, 67 convertible Mustang V8. Does it get much better? Well, it's a superb car this. It's in this pale yellow, which is so reminiscent of the 1960s, with the chrome and the beautiful Magnum style wheels. These were original wheels in their day. You've got the white band tyres going around here as well. Just really does set it off. It is really like a survivor car this, because this was the colour it was when it was new. And it has the same specifications. It's got the V8 289 engine. It's got the whole lot. It's got the centre console. It's power steering. The chrome's beautiful. If you look down the side of it, how straight the car is. It's got these GT stripes running through it. And as I would have said on the commentary when I drive it, this was a Hollywood star car. This has been in a Hollywood film, and we bought it from Hollywood. So it literally bought it from the last owner there. And we have the DVD to show that it is true what I'm telling you. But again, finished beautifully. The paintwork down the sides, in the door shuts, all done beautifully, all looking lovely. Interior's great, original. It's got rear seat belts in the back already fitted, so as you can see. So if you've got small ones or even large ones, all the safety's there. You've got your little ashtrays here, which they still have. You don't get those anymore, but a little chrome ashtray in the back here, still operational. I don't know any people smoke nowadays, but just lovely to see the old-fashioned stuff. Hood fits well under this little tonneau. Just a lovely car. If you can get a shot of it going down the side, it really is beautiful, and it is a colour of its time. The chrome again round the back, you can see all the chrome is new here on the tail lights. You can notice the scoop in section here again for a 67. That's the one way of telling it, nice and easy. Beautifully painted all the way through, the caps new. The car just really is outstanding. And you can see, if you can look down towards the exhaust here, you've got two chrome finishing tailpipes on either side, which gives it a real beautiful burble. It's not loud, you know it's a V8, but it's got a lovely burble to it. And just to cruise on down the road in this car and to take it away on a holiday or have some fun, it's just beautiful. I love this car. Let's have a look underneath the bonnet, because it really is, someone's done this and restored it in such a way that it's very original. This is how it would have been. I think I've explained on a few occasions that most of the Ford engines are done in blue, and it would have had this blue air filter on it. Some people prefer chrome or putting the alloy and putting the rocker covers on, but obviously the guy who had this completely restored decided to keep it as it should be, which is how it would have come out the factory. Again, a survivor car, beautiful finish underneath the bonnet. All inside here is solid and correct in the matte satin black, which is how all Mustangs engine bays were. It was just the different colours, everything else. But power steering here, as you can see, which is great. It's still on drum brakes, but drives really well on drum brakes. You can always upgrade to discs if that was really your thing, but it came with drums, so they've kept it as normal as possible. And also, a thing to notice is when we shut the bonnet here, you've got the GT fog lights built into the pony with the corral with the wings on it. So lovely front to this car, really pretty, with the chrome line going around it, the chrome bumper, and F-O-R-D, Ford on the bonnet, you know what you've got. But a lovely car all round, a great survivor car, and a good investment. Driving one of these Mustang Convertibles isn't all about the power sometimes, it's just having that V8 burble. If you notice, you've got 4 chrome exhaust pipes that end out the back, and it feels like sort of an old Reaver motorboat or something like that, which is just going blob, 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 blob. It has that fantastic burble feel to it. And that's what the difference is with one of these Mustangs. They just are so lovely to drive. It's just so smooth. The gear change is lovely, the power steering is easy to use. They just are such a usable classic. You know the reliability of them, pretty much second to none for a car that's 55 years old. They're just a great car to enjoy, to have a bit of fun in your life. Go out, enjoy it, take the picnic, go to the races, you know, go to the Dorchester, wherever you may want to go. You can go to anywhere in one of these cars. You can turn up, you'll look good. This colour in the pale yellow is so reminiscent of the 60s. You know, those Formica tables that they used to have, and avocado green bathroom suites. This is what the colours were, and have a look at that lovely yellow with the chrome. the interior's all black, as you can see, and it's just gorgeous. The big clock's in front of you, the big automatic gearbox. You've got a centre console here, and truthfully, sunny day. It's even the winter now. I've got my zip done up, the heaters are on. I'm having a whale of time. I'm really enjoying myself. I could carry on driving this for a couple of hours, to be honest.